There is a hadith found in Sahih al-Bukhari, Kitab al-Salah, the book of prayers, where Aisha radiallahu anha narrates that Habiba and Salama radiallahu anhuma mentioned about a church they had seen in Ethiopia in which there were pictures. They told the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it, on which he said, Inna ulaika, indeed, those were a people, إذا كان فيهم الرجل الصالح, whenever a righteous man lived among them, فمات, and he died, بنوا على قبره مسجدا, they would build a masjid, a place of prostration over his grave. صوروا فيه تلك الصور, and they would draw images in it. فأولئك, such people will be شرار الخلق, the worst of all creation, عند الله يوم القيامة, in the sight of Allah on the day of judgment. This hadith makes it clear that those who build places of worship, such as shrines or tombs over the graves of righteous people who have died, are among the worst in the sight of Allah.